Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AutoCAD 2016 training course, and the topic for today will be how to move around in your model. I've created a simple part and I will use it to show you how to move around. We've mentioned briefly a couple of possibilities to move around our model, and you know it already from the 2D side. You can use your mouse to do a lot of moving around, and we include in this moving around the zoom, the pan on the 2D, and we have the rotation additionally here on 3D. So middle mouse button, you can do a pan. If you click in shift in the middle mouse, you can do a rotation, and we can also use the control middle mouse, and you have a couple of more functions here. Anyway, the idea is to use this area here where we can do a lot of things. First, we can drag the cube, picking whatever you want, and move it so you'll have a rotation. Okay, you can pick it on a vertex, on an edge, or on one of the plans. It's the same effect. Then you can click in one of the faces, for example, and you will see the view of the face of the plan you click. You can click in one vertex and you'll see the corresponding view, or on the edge you'll see the same. You can click in this area also and you can rotate it. Besides, you have the possibility to choose the view from this area here, where you can basically assess the same things you have in this wheel. You have this view manager. Okay, basically will assess a couple of options also for the views. I don't want to go on that detail because basically has the same options as here. It's just a manager. Then we can change also from perspective to a parallel view, which is a little different, okay, from the type of view we get on the program. Okay. And besides, we can use this area here where we can change from one world coordinate system, which is the one I have active now, to the creation of a new one where we can click somewhere and give the options to create a new one. For last, we have this area here where we have this navigation wheel, so you know it already. The functions are known: the zoom, the pan, the orbit. Okay, you have a couple of more additional functions like this walk, center look, or the possibility to rewind on the type of views we have. But basically you click, and then when you move around the mouse you'll get the effect you click. Okay, this navigation wheel has several possibilities. I have active the full one. Then we have a couple of basic or more basic options. Here you have the pen. Okay, you know it already also. Here you have options for the zooms. You probably know all of these zooms from the 2D. We mentioned at least the majority or the most important ones. And last, we have a couple of options for the orbit. Okay, we have this normal orbit or a free orbit, which has a couple of functions also for the rotation. Clicking outside or inside or in these areas will restrain the possibilities to rotate the model. So all of these are variations from the basic stuff, which is the possibility to rotate easily with your keyboard and your mouse, the pen. You can zoom in doing things like that or choosing things, but basically these are variations. This is useful also to show you that there are a lot of possibilities to move around and to view your drawing.